Hello there. Are you tired of missing project deadlines? Well, worry no more. In today's video, I am going to share with you my top tips on how to effectively manage projects and meet those dreaded deadlines. First things first, setting clear and realistic goals is crucial. Without a clear idea of what needs to be achieved, it becomes nearly impossible to meet deadlines. So, take out your project management tool or a simple calendar and start mapping out the milestones and target completion dates. Now let's talk about the importance of breaking down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. By doing this, you not only make the project less daunting, but also create a clear roadmap to follow. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but a series of well-executed tasks. Next up, prioritize, prioritize, prioritize. It's important to identify the most critical tasks and allocate your time and resources accordingly. By tackling the most crucial aspects of the project first, you'll reduce the risk of delays and ultimately meet your deadline with ease. Communication is the key to success. Keeping everyone involved in the project well informed and updated will not only foster collaboration, but also avoid misunderstandings and unnecessary rework. Utilize project management platforms like Asana or Trello to facilitate seamless communication and streamline workflow. Time management is your secret tool. Develop a solid schedule that allocates dedicated time for each task. Remember, every minute counts, and by implementing effective time management techniques such as the Pomodoro technique or blocking distractions, you'll find that meeting deadlines becomes a breeze. Proper resource allocation is equally important. Make sure you have the required manpower, tools, and materials in place to avoid delays. Assess your project requirements meticulously and stay proactive in acquiring necessary resources to ensure a smooth workflow. Lastly, make it a habit to review and evaluate your progress regularly. By conducting regular project check-ins, you'll identify any roadblocks, adjust your plan if needed, and stay on track. Remember, flexibility and adaptability are key qualities of successful project managers. And there you have it, my friends. By following these expert tips, you'll become a master of project management, consistently meeting deadlines with confidence. Remember, it's all about clear goals, effective communication, efficient time management, and staying flexible throughout the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your fellow project managers.